Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to talk about how you can use the clipboard feature on your Word document when you're typing. Now on this channel we've spoken so much about Microsoft Word productivity. We've discussed a lot of shortcuts and things you can do to speed up your work, including voice typing. So you want to subscribe and do that, watch those videos. But here we are looking at a scenario where you want to copy a lot of things to a different document. So you open the clipboard, as you can see here, and this is all the things I've copied over time. All the things I've copied, they have been saved on the clipboard, so I can reuse them over and over again. So how do I activate my clipboard? You go to the Windows menu and you're going to type in settings, and of course it's an app. You open settings and this is what comes in. So you're going to look for, in fact I have to hide my ID here so that you don't see my face. Yeah, so after you've opened the settings, you're going to select system, and on the menu on your left you scroll down, you're going to see scroll down, yeah, so you see clipboard. You select clipboard, you make sure this part is on. The clipboard history is on. Mine is already on, so you have to make sure it's on. If it's off, you turn it on. And of course you can synchronize across devices. So you see that I've signed in to my PC. That is why you saw my ID. My ID is supposed to be there. So maybe I have another machine somewhere, or later on I buy a different machine and I sign in. Everything that I've saved on my clipboard can be synchronized onto that machine as well. So you click on get started and you follow the instruction. You have to select automatically synchronize text that I copy. You can of course also clear the clipboard, but now that I've turned my off and on back on, everything will be cleared. So as when I open the clipboard, you see that there's nothing. Initially when I opened, there was a lot of things including pictures on the board, but now when I open, it's not there. And to open your clipboard, yes, of course you type the Windows key plus V and it comes. So when I opened mine, you saw that it was empty. So now let's try to copy some stuff. So I copy something from here. I copy this one as well. I scroll down, I copy something else. I copy this part. Now this is very useful when you want to copy from different parts of this document and send them to another document. So all the things that I've copied, now that I open my clipboard, you see they are there. Yes. So this is very useful when, let's say I've copied something from this document. I later on close the document. Later on, if I'm typing in another document, I remember I have copied something that I need, I don't have to go back to that document. All I have to do is to go to my clipboard and just paste it. This is also very useful when you're typing something and you know you have to copy portions of another document and paste them in your new document. So like this document, we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want to copy number 1 and copy number maybe 3 and number 5, maybe number 5 and 8. You know, they are not together, so I can't copy all at the same time. So I have to just highlight number 1, copy, press C, Ctrl plus C, highlight number 5, Ctrl plus C, number 8, Ctrl plus C. Then I come to my new document, open my clipboard, and you see them there, number 1, number 5, number 8. So I just click on 1, it appears. I go back to my clipboard, I click on the 2, it appears. I go back to my clipboard and I click on the third and I copy it, and it will also appear just like that. So you can copy as many things as possible on the clipboard and then come to the new document and just paste them one after the other in order that you want them to appear. So that's it for now. If you want more, don't forget to subscribe, channel and wait for the next video. Until then, goodbye.